1 minute you use if function correctly. In the example, if the student has scored less than 50, need to show the word fail, and greater than 50, show the word pass. Click on the top cell and press equal. Tap the if function. Double-click on function. And after, click the first score of the student. Next, add the less than sign and tap the number 50, and the result is fail. And one more result is pass. You can do like that here. And you need to remember that the text result, fail and pass need between the double quote sign. And the last, close parenthesis and press enter. Okay, we see that the result is correctly. The student less than 50, show the word fail, and greater than is 50, show the word pass.